Hello and welcome back. Today I just noticed further development and I want to talk to you about it. Wait a minute, I make it a little bit louder. So, I am handling the GBP yen and we are now in a downward trend. You see here, we started from the end of January and we still are in this trend. I made some arrows here on this chart so you can see how important it is to always pay attention to the trend. For example, here, starting from the 28th of January till the 3rd of February, we could have said that we are dealing here with a falling wedge, and we could have said here at the breakup that it will go up, but it would have been false because we have this downward channel and we have this upper trend line. And you see the upper trend line channel was putting a stop to the upward movement here. Based on this high, I could calculate now the width of the channel, which is right now about 270 pip. You saw here between the 4th of February and 6th of February, the price was going constantly down. Then it was hitting two times a lower low, which corresponded to the lower channel, lower line of the channel. So here we could have expected a short reversal. We could have expected that the price could have come to 190.10, but it didn't come. It came close. Then it went down again. We could now see two this as 2 points or as 1 point here. And we could regard this second low, or we could also regard it as the third low. Then it went up again, and here the market always made it to a head and shoulder. At this moment, I put a circle here because I was expecting the price to be a little bit higher. I was expecting the price to go to this level here. But it didn't go immediately. It went only the second day. Time is extremely important. You have to let patterns play out. It seldomly happens that they develop immediately. So I saw here the head and shoulder didn't develop, but the price went down again. So here we could have expected that the price goes down again and then accelerates down, because you see the downward movement was pretty slow, and when we are nearing an end it usually accelerates. We didn't see such um, such a quick fall yet, so we'll still have to look. For now, for the last 3 days, we were dealing a consolidation. So if you saw also my previous videos where I explained more about the cycles, you noticed we have already ended a cycle of 7 days. Cycles are always about 7 days plus minus one. And we are here now in the settling period, where the market kind of takes a break. And in this break, um, you see now it went up again. It rebounded to the upper trend line of the channel. Um, and we are now just hitting this green line, which is the upper line of my downward channel. Now, what can happen here is that it stays a little bit here around this price. It could also be that it gets over it a little bit. Could be that it comes also to 190.5, worst case, and then it goes down again. Anyway, from this point, I expect a downward movement. It should sometimes also be a little bit faster. It could also be that the price stays kept within this line for a longer period. It could also be that um, it stays between 187 and 189. But the main target right now is 186.5 based on the length of this channel, which is 270 pip, and the price I calculated, the take profit I calculated from the current price minus this 270 pips. But as now we are just at the beginning of a new cycle, we have to wait a little bit until the price develops. Thanks for watching and see you soon with many pips.